So this is what we did. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just calculate sigma very quickly. So sigma equals STDV of all samples, and I want to find out. And sigma I found 15.02. So what do we have to do? CP equals upper specification. For X bar is going to be upper specification is right here, minus lower specification, and divided by 6 times. So don't forget to use parentheses, otherwise your calculation will be messed up. And the sigma is right here. So we see the CP is 0.5674. So it's not a capable process, we can tell. What about CPK? And I said that's a minimum of upper control limit minus center line divided by 3 times sigma. And I need to use parentheses, otherwise I'll mess up with this calculation. Okay, so this is first one, and second one is minimum. So now this one minus that divided by parentheses 3 times sigma. So again, the same here, because I used the same specification that was derived from this table. But in reality, if you have a different upper control limit and lower control limit, for example, say your upper control limit is like 240 and your center line is 230, your lower limit is 220, then it's going to be a completely different story. But in this case, it's only that. So what if I use this one? So let me do CP equals upper control limit minus lower control limit divided by 6 times, and you have to use parentheses, 6 times sigma. So it goes below 0.22, so it's a really bad process in this case. So that's how you calculate that. And